2003 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab Stepside LS 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 4.8 liter V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front bright work. Grille, headlights nice and clear. Bright red paint. Charcoal interior. Take a look at the still pictures. You can be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, down below in the description, click on that link. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Goodyear Wrangler radials. As you can see, good looking Chevy wheels on there. Paint shows well in this truck. A little over 136,000 miles is all on it. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see, again, paint shows well, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. I mean, it's been driven, obviously. You'll find an imperfection here or there, but overall, I have not noticed anything major. You can also see around those wheel wells. Look good, lower rockers. Cab corners. Fiberglass tonneau cover. Some recent service work that's been done to this. It does have newer manifolds on it. Brake lines done up front. New pads and rotors. New lower ball joints. Also has an MBRP catback exhaust system, and we're going to start it up in a minute. Let you hear it run. Good sounding truck. You can see the dual exhaust back here. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you take a look at the still pics, you're going to see it does have a rubber bed mat in the bed also. If you like Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, either online or right off our showroom floor. If you make it see us in person, driver's side in as nice as shape as that passenger side. As you can see, that paint almost looks wet. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I did notice it had an aftermarket stereo that is working. Nice Kenwood. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. What do we have here? 40-20-40 split bench seat. Again, in that dark gray or graphite cloth. This will fold up, so you have another seating area there. Tilt column, of course, cruise control. Also has rubber floor mats added. There's your exact miles, 136,540. Mentioned the Kenwood stereo. And that obviously has your more modern capabilities with the iHeartRadio and Sirius XM. Nice upgrade. Dash looks good. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauge is all working. And AC blows cold. I can vouch for that. Wow. Headliner good. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a good sounding truck. Listen to this. Some added LED lights down below. Sounds good. Tow package, you can see receiver all ready to go. Wired for trailers. Window vents. Let me pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the hood liner. And that Vortec 4.8 V8. Newer battery also, just a couple of years old. Smooth running, looks good underneath there. K&N cold air intake. 2003 Chevy Silverado LS. Stepside 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2003 Chevy Silverado. A very well-kept truck. This feels a lot lower mile than the odometer says. I'm looking at the steering wheel, the doors, the dash, the seats. It's all very, very well kept. We have a Kenwood stereo in the dash. That is working as it should. The AC's blowing cold. Our gauges are all working. We have a tachometer on the left. Speedometer is reading. The oil pressure is about 50. Fuel gauge is reading 3/4 of a tank. The battery is charging over 14 volts. And the temperature is approaching 180. Cruise control works on this truck. Comfortable cloth seats with center fold down armrest and storage. Cup holders below that seat. Even the suspension feels tight. Steering is as it would be with lower miles. Just a very well kept truck. Nice throttle response. Corners well. Doesn't lean much in the corners. Always like the dark black and charcoal colored interiors. This one has that. Well kept truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this Chevrolet at UniqueClassicCars.com.